สวัสดีครับ Hello everybody, welcome to I Get Thai with me, Jack. The previous video we were learning about Thai tone rules from scratch. And this video we're gonna be practicing and tuning your ears to the tones by doing the traditional tonal conjugations. Well, as you see here, there are 5 tones. There are middle tone or flat tones that doesn't have a tonal marker. The next one is low tone, which has my egg as a marker. This is my toe represent to falling tone. My tree represent to high tone, and my jatawa represent to rising tone. Alright, now I want you to notice the line of the sound and try to differentiate each tone. Okay? And I would like to pick a letter or ang. So or ang is in the middle class consonant and the long vowel sara a. Yeah, sara a. Now we're gonna blend them. Okay? Or a becomes a. Alright? Or a. So is an inherent sound and it's a flat tone. Say it again. Or okay, flat tone. Now we're gonna conjugate the word to different tones. The next tone is low tone. Okay, or you can hear the tail of the sound. It's going down. Yeah, can you try it? That's right. This tone is pretty easy, yeah? Right, we've got middle tone and low tone. And the next tone is falling tone, okay? Or to, So in this tone, you can imagine that you throw something away and it's gonna be like feel, okay? It's exactly like that. It's like okay? Falling tone. Alright, we've got 3 tones already. And the next tone is high tone. It's gonna be tree, This is my tree. Tree, high tone. So we just force the voice up, but never come down. Just up. Or just think about okay? Right, you got it? Tree, That's right, it's high tone. Alright, we've got 4 tones already. And the last one, this is rising tone. Jatawa, rising tone. This is my jatawa. Jatawa, The idea you can think about that you coming down from the hill and go up again, okay? Come down from the hill, go up, okay? It's like go down right here and up. Okay, can you try it? Great. Are you with me? Okay, let's say all together again. One more time. Good job, everybody. You can do like this all day long. Or you can just draw the line, use your finger to draw the line of the sound in the air. Well, this would be helping you to figure it out of the sound. And after that, when you feel confident from practice doing this, and then the next step, you can change the initial consonant and the vowel. But you should have some idea about Thai letters and vowels first. Otherwise, you will find it difficult to blend the word. Or you can use the tone rule chart that you just downloaded from the previous video. And it would be easy for you to play around with the middle class consonant in live syllable first, because the letter in middle class consonant can conjugate words to 5 tones. Or if you feel your level up, you can change to other tones up to you. For example, I will pick a letter from middle class consonant จอจาน okay จอจาน and the long vowel sound สระอี สระอี and then I gonna blend them together จออี becomes G จออี G we got G already G in the middle tone G and now I gonna conjugate the word G G G G G okay one more time G G G G G you can do slowly first and then go faster okay G G G G G or what about ต่อเต่า ต่อเต่า and สระอี ต่อเต่า has ต่อ sound and สระอี okay ต่ออี becomes ตีต่ออีตีตี middle tone ตีตีตีตีตี alright again one more time ตีตีตีตีตี use your finger like this it's gonna help you a lot okay to draw the line in the air like crazy not crazy because you're practicing right okay everybody that's it for this video I hope this can help you to improve your Thai language skills if you're interested in learning reading and writing Thai you can check out my online course and the link in the description box or if you have a question or recommendation please leave the comment down here and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the next video thank you for watching สวัสดีครับ